Number 1, decide what quality video content ang gusto mo. Dahil ang dami natin pwedeng gawin. Merong mga niches like mukbang, travel vlogs, fitness, YouTube tutorials, at one thing na gusto ko is yung YouTube tutorials at yung how to grow plants at home.
Could you be the one?
Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I would like to share with you our journey on YouTube. Since my daughter is so busy with her module, so I'll be the one to share with you some tips on how to get 50 subscribers in less than a month. We uploaded our first video last June 6, followed by June 15, and the latest was June 22, 2021. And I've noticed that meron talagang progress in each video that we uploaded. At merong mga nadagdag sa mga subscribers at ang views naman ay unti-unting tumaas na rin. Tama talaga ang mga napanood naming tutorials, and this time around, gusto ko namang i-inspire ang mga bagong YouTubers like us at ang may plano pang mag-YouTube. These are the 5 simple tips para sa'yo. Number 1, decide what quality video content ang gusto mo. Dahil ang dami natin pwedeng gawin. Merong mga niches like mukbang, travel vlogs, fitness, YouTube tutorials, at one thing na gusto ko is yung YouTube tutorials at yung how to grow plants at home. At ang anak ko naman ay ang gusto niya ay makeup tutorials at mag-cover ng song. Number 2, promote your channel to your classmates, friends, relatives, and co-workers. Bakit kailangan gawin natin to? Kasi bago pa tayo sa ating channel, we need to promote our channel to other people para malaman nila na meron tayong mga ina-upload sa YouTube and those viewers turns into subscribers. Number 3, consistency is so important. Kailangan natin mag-upload ng videos consistently para may aabangan ang ating mga viewers kung ano naman ang kanilang makukuha sa ating mga videos through our channel. Kaya kailangan natin mag-upload sila ng once a week, ang iba naman twice a week, ang iba naman para maparami kaagad ang kanilang mga videos every day. Pero para sa akin, mag-a-upload ako ng twice a week. Kasi marami tayong i-consider in uploading our videos. Like video editing, kailangan proper title, thumbnail, at saka yung description natin. Talagang pinag-iisipan natin yun. At hinahanapan natin ang mga proper keywords na gagamitin natin. Kaya keep on uploading your videos. Number 4, gagamitin din natin ang mga features ng YouTube. Like yung tamang pag-upload ng mga videos natin, ang mga catchy thumbnails natin, at para mapapaklik talaga ang ating mga viewers para doon, those viewers turns into subscribers. At ang end card, kailangan natin gamitin ito para hindi lang isa sa mga videos natin ang mapapanood nila, kundi maraming videos ang pwede nilang mapanood through using the cards and end screen. Number 5, the last but not the least, focus on what you can do. Plan, set up, edit, and upload. Kailangan natin gawin ito para lalo pang ma-improve ang ating channel. Do not focus on how many subscribers being added to your channel, but instead, focus on making quality videos para talagang merong manunood sa ating mga content. Additional tips, kailangan natin i-improve ang ating editing skills. More research and patience because our success will not happen overnight. Kailangan natin mag-exert ng effort para lalo pang mapa-improve ang ating channel. Hope meron kayong natutunan sa ating tutorial for today. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please smash the subscribe button and click the notification bell for more updates. Till next video!